Hey everyone! Welcome back to Techo AV, your trusted place for honest and powerful tech reviews. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting gaming laptops, the Asus Tuf gaming F16 FX607VU. Strong performance, subtle design, RE-ready GPU, and a very interesting price point. So let's see if this beast is worth buying. Let's start with the design. The Tuf Gaming F16 keeps the classic Tuf military styling but adds some fresh touches. The model I have here is in Mecha Grey, with an embossed Tuf logo on the lid. You'll also notice the faux triangular corner accent subtle, but they give it that rugged Tuf identity. The keyboard deck and touchpad have small Tuf references too. Overall, it looks premium, durable, and not overly flashy, perfect for gamers and students who want a balanced aesthetic. Inside, this laptop is running the Intel Core i7-13620H, a 10-core chip with 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. It boosts up to 4.9 GHz, so productivity tasks, video editing, and multitasking are super smooth. On the GPU side, we have the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050 with AI tensor cores and 190 for AI tops of performance. With a max TGP of 140W, this is one of the more powerful 4050 implementations you can get. This combo delivers excellent 1080p and solid 1440p gaming performance, and with the new RTX AI features from DLSS 3 frame generation to faster creative workloads, this laptop is absolutely future-ready. Moving to the display, this is a 16-inch FHD Plus 1920 by 1200 IPS level panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate, 7 milliseconds response time, and support for G-Sync. With slim bezels and a 16:10 aspect ratio, gaming and media consumption feel more immersive. And with MUX Switch plus Nvidia Advanced Optimus, you get maximum GPU performance when plugged in and better battery efficiency when on the go. You get 16GB DDR5 5600 MHz RAM in dual-channel upgradable all the way to 64GB thanks to 2 SO-DIMM slots. For storage, you get a fast 512GB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, and there's an extra M.2 slot if you ever want to expand. Battery and charging. For portability, Asus has included a 56Wh battery for this variant, good enough for mixed usage. And with Type-C charging support, you don't always need to carry the big 240-watt power brick. Thermals and cooling. One area where Tuf models usually shine is cooling. The F16 uses dual 84-blade arc flow fans, 5 heat pipes, and 4 exhaust vents. This setup helps control temperatures under heavy gaming without adding too much noise. There's also an anti-dust filter to keep the fans cleaner for longer. Audio and camera. Audio gets an upgrade with Dolby Atmos, AI noise cancellation, and high residential headphone support. The built-in HD camera is decent for online classes, meetings, and casual streaming. The RTX AI advantage. Built for the era of AI, GeForce RTX GPUs feature specialized AI tensor cores that deliver cutting-edge performance and revolutionary capabilities. Harness exclusive AI features and transform the way you work and play. From enhanced creativity and ultra-efficient productivity to blisteringly fast gaming, the ultimate in AI power on Windows PCs is on RTX today and tomorrow. Ports and connectivity. Connectivity is excellent. You get Thunderbolt 4 with DisplayPort, HDMI 2.1, USB-C Gen 2 with power delivery, 2x USB-A ports, RJ45 LAN 3.5mm headphone jack. No compromises here, everything you need for gaming, streaming, or a full desktop setup. Keyboard and control. The keyboard is a one-zone RGB backlit chiclet layout with 1.7mm key travel. It feels responsive and comfortable for both typing and gaming. There are dedicated hotkeys for volume, MIC mute, and Armoury Crate, and of course, you get that new Copilot AI key built into Windows 11. toughness and build quality. As expected from the Tuf series, the F16 meets the MIL or STD810H standard. This means durability across vibration, temperature extremes, shocks, and even high altitudes. This is definitely built for students, travelers, and people who want something long-lasting. The Tuf Gaming F16 comes with Armoury Crate support baked right in, including RGB lighting and fan controls at the touch of a button. You can even create custom scenario profiles, allowing the machine to intelligently switch between high-performance and high-efficiency modes as soon as it detects which programs are running. Who should buy this laptop? This laptop is perfect for gamers who want smooth 1080p to 1440p performance, creators who need AI acceleration and strong GPU encoding, students who want a durable, powerful machine, professionals who need solid multitasking performance. Final verdict: Techo AV rating. So, is the Asus Tuf Gaming F16 FX607VU worth it? Absolutely, if you want a balanced machine with strong GPU power, great build quality, and excellent cooling. 4.55 Techo AV recommended. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Techo AV, and drop a comment telling me which laptop you want reviewed next. See you in the next video. Until then, stay techy, stay smart.